Hello students. Today we are going to learn how to practice the group planning exercise or GPE, one of the most important parts of the SSB GTO series. This session will teach you the correct structure, the thinking style, and a method you should use while preparing your own GPE plan. In the GPE exercise in SSB, after the explanation of narrative, you will get 5 minutes to read the narrative and 10 minutes after that to write your solution to GPE. So let's begin. Let's begin with the map. In GPE, the map is everything. Your plan, your timing, your route, every decision you take comes from here. So before jumping into the problem, take a calm minute to read the map carefully. Identify all the landmarks, note the river and the bridge, observe the roads, railway track, and distances. Use the scale to judge how far each point is and check the north direction to understand orientation. This habit builds clarity and reduces mistakes later. Now we read the situation given by the GTO, the narrative. This is your story base. In this case, you are a group of college students traveling from Bheru to Gona for a debate competition. At the bus stop, you realize that the authority letter has been forgotten. At the same time, you hear about a kidnapping, encounter an accident victim, and also learn about a boulder blocking the railway track. The train is arriving soon, and there is no network. The current time is 13:30 hours. Your job in GPE is to make sense of all these events and handle them logically within time. Before solving the problems, you must understand all elements of the map. Look at the important villages, the temple, the bus stop, the river crossing. Everything helps you decide movement. Use the map scale to calculate approximate travel times. Walking is usually around 4 to 5 kilometers per hour, and weaker speeds vary depending on the road. This accuracy helps you create a realistic and achievable plan. In every GPE, the first step after reading the narration is to note down all the problems in your solution. This shows the GTO that you understood the situation clearly. In this case, the issues are the missing authority letter, a kidnapping case, an accident victim who is unconscious, a boulder on the railway track, a train arriving soon, no network available, and limited time before your competition. Never miss a problem. Missing one means missing the logic. This is the heart of your GPE. You must decide what to do first, second, third, and why. The rule is simple: life-threatening issues first, time-sensitive issues next, and your main mission after that. Your sequence can be unique, but it must be sensible. In GPE, the resources given to you matter a lot. You usually have your team members, a vehicle, and local help. In this situation, you have a minibus, a Hafali bus towards Bheru, villagers nearby, and of course the map itself. Use these resources intelligently. GPE rewards clarity, not heroism. Now think about timing. Every task takes time: walking, driving, reporting, rescuing, and your plan must respect this. Use the map scale, calculate distances, and estimate the time required. This is what separates an average plan from a high-quality, officer-level plan. When writing your plan, keep it short, crisp, and sequential. Divide your team logically where required, choose the best routes, and maintain realism. A good plan shows leadership, coordination, and awareness of the map. Always end with a short conclusion. 2 or 3 lines summarizing that all emergencies have been handled, authorities informed, and your team reached the final task. It shows confidence and clarity, qualities the GTO looks for. Now it's your turn. Using the map and narrative, complete the following practice work. List all the problems, prioritize them logically, mark the routes, write your full plan, and end with a short conclusion. This practice will make your GPE strong and your decision-making sharper. Jai Hind.